Hello again. In this screencast, we are going to review the importance of connecting a page to a menu item. The first thing we are going to take into account is that you are logged into iApps with the permissions of at least an author and have navigational editing permissions. Next, let's navigate to Libraries, Menus, and Pages. First off, what exactly does it mean to connect a page to a menu item? Well, as you can see, if we expand our global navigation and we navigate to the team, About the Nationals, the About the Nationals menu item has a page, About the USA Nationals, connected to it. I know this because when I right-click on the page, I see the option Disconnect the Page from Menu Item. Now, if I disconnect this page, when a user clicks on About the Nationals menu item, they'll be brought to an error page because no page is associated to that menu item. So let's take a look at that in action. I'm going to open up another browser that is not currently running the iApps admin screen. For this example, we'll use Google Chrome. And now we'll go to the team, About the Nationals. Because I just disconnected my page to menu item, when I click on About the Nationals, I'm brought to this error page stating that there is no page connected to the menu item. Now let's minimize Google Chrome, go back to our iApps admin, right-click on our page, and reconnect the page to the menu item. Let's go back into Google Chrome and see if our change took effect. Once again, we'll navigate to the team, About the Nationals. And as you can see, the system now brought us to the page that we wanted to navigate to. Now let's once again minimize Google Chrome. It's important to remember that a menu item is not a page, but a menu item needs to be connected to a page in order to lead a website user to an active web page and not a 404 error page. Now, let's take a look at the News section. As you can see, there is currently no page connected to the News menu item. So now if I go into my browser that's not running iApps, and I click on the News button, notice we are brought to an error page. The reason we're brought to that error page is because there is currently no page associated to the News section. I know this because if I right-click on the News menu item and I select Edit Properties, I see that the News menu item is not pointing to a page, which once again means that when a user clicks on the News menu item, they'll be brought to an error page. So now, let's choose a page from our internal website, and maybe we want the News menu item to connect to the page Game Day News List. So I'll right-click on Game Day, select the page, and save my changes. Now if I go back into the browser that's not using iApps, and now I'm going to click on News, notice that we're being brought to the News menu item. So once again, the importance is to always have a page connected to a menu item, because the menu item is not the page, rather, the menu item must be connected to a page to bring the end user to a live web page.